Hello and welcome. I'm Christopher, CK Customs PA, and admin for Cricut Help Desk. Today, we have our mystery box from Heat Transfer Warehouse. They're back in stock, and we want to unbox one live with you. I am pasting a link to it in the description and pinning it. So we have that. The mystery scrap boxes are on sale for $50 a box. There's guaranteed at least 100 pieces of scrap in a box.
Let's go for it. I'm still sharing, but you can go ahead. Keep moving along.
When you get done with that one, while I'm cutting this open, the mouse, go ahead and share it to our friends in the other Texas group.
So, you guys have been paying attention to us as we've been doing these. These things sell out quick, and so kind of we're watching this one. It's up for about an hour. They've been up in a long time.
Yep. So, this is one that we ordered a little while ago. It's been sitting. We like to unbox them live. We have quite a bit of vinyl scraps still available sitting in our shelves. So we like to unbox them live with you guys. Share. So just removing the flaps. That way everybody can see. Halfway. All right. So as you can see, this one's pretty full. Every box is different. But again, guaranteed at least 100 plus pieces of scrap vinyl, 90% HTV, 10% adhesive. I've had one box come in that way. All the other boxes pretty much have been almost all heat transfer vinyl. So this one, like a couple of the others we've gotten, came with a tote bag with the Heat Transfer Warehouse logo on it. And they're 10 years on the back.
I'm just trying to go this way a little bit so we have room to put stuff.
Okay. This is an adhesive vinyl. This one has some glitter to it.
So you could get up to 10% adhesive in your boxes.
Yep.
Because they are heat transfer vinyl scrap boxes, but you could get up to 10% of adhesive in there.
And then we have in this one a nice piece of Easy Weed Stretch Purple Berry. That's a full sheet. Go ahead and remove that sticker. That'll fit right in our shelf. Oh, you could do some counting.
We like to count our pieces just for fun.
There's a nice little stack of black.
So these ones are... I always have to check the corners. Here's one that's already started. To see if they're brick or if they're flock.
If that's going up like that, that is brick. So, easy way to tell. Brick does not have an adhesive carrier, and it's kind of thick and rubbery. You can see that on the camera. So, flock has a sticky carrier to it.
So 13 sheets of that. So again, guys, these sell out quick. If you want to get them, I would actually go grab it now and then come back to our video because I can't promise how long they'll stay up.
Yeah.
They've been going quick for several months now.
We got two pieces of...
Not quite bright white. It's almost,
Taupish?
Let's go with a gray, just a very light gray.
Yeah, maybe. It's nice. Different from the bright white we get a lot of. Some nice glitter, pink.
Do we have any leverage to shift that way, Tiny?
Oh yeah, I can move a little bit there.
Thank you.
It's a piece of white. Nice light blue.
I like that baby blue.
Yeah. Ooh, your gold glitter. More gold glitter. We like the gold glitter. Nice piece of red. Some silver.
This one, I think, this one looks reflective to me. It's a couple of pieces put together. So where one roll did, the other one started.
Splice
So
on a
we'll
roll.
use all of that portion.
Yep. There's some more Subliflock, I believe.
Gotcha. Put that separate.
Yep.
Separate from HTV.
Okay. Well, here's some more.
Oh boy.
Several sheets.
Oh wow. Yeah. It's a good thing we got that sub printer.
Yep. We just got a sublimation printer and started with that. There's some more blue that you get to count. Got quite a few sheets right there. Nice, good selection. She's doing that. Nice little cranberry there. Here's a really nice silver glitter, but the glitter in it, kind of hard for the camera to pick it up sometimes.
9 pieces there.
Okay, 9 pieces of that blue. This one has the glitter flake in it. It has the reds. It has just it picks up all kinds of. You can get the reds, the blues, the greens.
Yeah, it looks kind of just silver on camera. I don't know if that helps at all or not, but it's got several colors in it.
We got a nice red holographic.
So you never know what brands or anything you're going to get. So we always like to keep our color guides handy, and later we match them up if we're not quite sure on their pressing details or anything like that.
Yep. Another blue, another slightly different shade of blue. I like my blues though, so I'm not going to complain.
Same shade.
Oh, same shade. Got it upside down. More
Big
of it.
piece.
Big piece.
Leave that folder for the moment.
There's some pink. Some pink.
So you can see you get you get random sizes. The strips are good for like down the arm text, across the back, anything like that.
Yep.
And then your other pieces, these are plenty wide to be a good design of a shirt. So I never have any problems, finding ways to use these scrap pieces.
Yeah, I mean, you can pretty much.
Oops, dropped it.
Most of it you can get almost a full design out of. Yeah, like 2, 3, 5 pieces of white there. Or that could be glow in the dark. That's a fun one. Check those ones later because that's caught me on surprise. This one's what is that one?
Looks pearly.
Yeah, kind of pearlish.
11 pieces of pink right there. I already threw another one down.
Yeah.
So good amount of pink.
Good amount of pink. Nice little strip of green. So this is a scrap box. It's mystery, but some of them are roll-ins pieces, but you do get a lot of usable full-size pieces out of it.
So you're guaranteed at least 100 pieces. They're currently $50. So if you do the math there, you're talking 50 cents a piece.
Yep.
But if we're going to count these up at the end, and we always like to post what we really got, it's always more than 100 for us at least. So
and every box is different.
Right. So, you can do your math there, but it just does nothing but lower your cost per piece.
Some nice animal prints. And these ones are nice because the carrier sheet is actually on the top. So you cut this as you would normal HTV. So you upside down or pattern down and then cut back. Cut it mirrored. We got a nice white on white glitter here. Some green. 3 pieces there. 4 pieces. 5 pieces. A nice gold.
There's a full 12 by 12 piece right there.
Yeah, full sheet, full. It's that full designs out of it. Another white, black. Yeah, that's an 8 by 10 easily.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's actually 12 by 12 right there.
Yeah. And then there's a nice piece of adhesive. This is Caesar PSV, so pressure sensitive vinyl.
Put my PSV separate.
Yeah. White. Then we have a cream. So if you're doing anything like skin tone-ish, that helps. A black. Black. Another black. Subliflock. White. Subliflock. Subliflock.
Just going back and forth here.
Subliflock. Oh, these are gonna be fun. Subliflock. A couple more. Another white. Ooh, I like it. Got the metallics.
Yeah, those are like copper.
I think it's bronze.
The bronze.
Technically what it is, but yeah. And then another piece of that pearl. Pearlescent. Because it's not white.
No.
It's nice. Another piece of black.
Probably doesn't do no justice in the camera.
Probably not.
You can see that. I like that satin finish, like when you think of wall paint. It's not the flat, but it's the satin.
Yep. Strips of blue. Now we do get strips every once in a while, which are nice. I mean, a sleeve, full text, line of text on a shirt. Good part of a design. A couple of them together and you're good to go. There's a white.
If my counting is right, it's 11. If my
There's
counting is
two more of the
wrong-
pearl.
Oh well.
A couple of red. Oh boy. Some more of that blue bronze. Another one. Ooh. Let's see if this picks it up. You might be able to see that. It's got that color change effect. I don't remember what that one's called.
I think chameleon.
Maybe.
I'm going with 11 again. That seems to be my number.
Some more of that off-white.
There's a big piece of it right here.
Yeah.
We'll have to match that up in the book.
Oh, there we go.
Chameleon.
More of that chameleon.
So the chameleon stuff, it looks different based off of what color you're pressing it onto. So a white shirt versus a black shirt or anything in between. You're going to get different effects through it.
Yeah, because it's kind of semi-translucent. And a couple more of that other one that's... Oh, actually, I should say a whole bunch of it here. Got a bunch of strips. Let's count those up. I think they're all the same. Got another big piece of it.
Oh, we got some white mixed in and everything.
White?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 white.
If you have any questions, let us know.
Again, if you're just hopping on, the link to get one of these scrap boxes is in the description. It's also pinned in the comments. I don't know how many they have left.
Yep. They go pretty quick. Looks like some more brick here. One, two, three, 6 more pieces of brick. Which that's nice. Good fun stuff to play with. Gives some nice dimension to the design.
16
Nice
on
and
the
thick. There's more black. Nice stack of black.
Oh yeah, that's my black container.
A nice blue. Another sheet of that baby blue.
For anyone keeping count, 8 of those.
4 more strips of white, I think. Was that translucent again?
No, that's right.
White, okay. Red. Black or cow, 651. Green. Get the right side there. A couple more of that pearly one. Pearl. Just gonna go with pearl on it.
Yep.
Bunch of that one.
I guess it just looks like that satin. It looks like that satin.
Yeah.
Paint. That's a white.
Hard. It's hard.
Put it down. This one's
Gotcha.
white. I'll shove it somewhere else.
Okay. And then a couple more of the chameleon little strips. A small piece of black 651. Just small.
You know, your picture-in-picture, you're hiding something from them. Something in the box is hidden under your picture-in-picture. That's been there the whole time.
Oh, this small roll here?
Yeah.
Do we count as one piece?
We do. We count them as one because it comes as a piece.
Because it comes as one piece.
It's fair.
It's only fair. This is a roll of full tape back because it's a yellow.
Could have used that the other day.
Could have. That doesn't want to cooperate there. That's a light yellow.
Yeah.
But nice little strip. About 2.5 inches wide, give or take. It's just roll end. But that counts as one. Oh, I missed another one.
We could see that one. We weren't sure if you could.
I can't on the camera when I look at the picture.
Right?
But another full sheet, fully wrapped up.
20-inch. Probably 2 feet. That's my guess. Could be less. There we go.
There, we get the sticker off.
1 foot. 20-inch by a foot. My guesstimate. It's very scientific.
12 by 15.
So that's Easy Weed Stretch Purple Berry.
Yep, that's a nice one. That's that box.
Such a much brighter.
Oh.
So yeah.
Hope that turned out the right way.
So that's our mystery scrap box from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Guaranteed 100 pieces of HTV. Could be up to 10% other.
All right, that was our latest mystery scrap box from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I hope you enjoyed unboxing it with us. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel. Happy crafting!